Hello everyone. Thank you for this privilege to present across all these CEOs and energy experts in our C-Suite League Talk by Iron Lady. I'm happy to be part of this community. Have you been into an oil refinery or a gas plant? Picture this. There is a technician in oil refinery surrounded by 10,000 sensors, $2 million per hour of downtime loss risk, and 0.5% margin of errors. His life is working on intuition. Meanwhile, other top oil and gas industries have already implemented AI-driven maintenance and slashed down their outages by 30%. AI is not a trend. It is the upcoming market. You are not lagging behind. You are also risking obsolescence. Today, I'm going to talk about AI in oil and gas, a booming opportunity or a passing trend. Welcome, and myself, Rachita Garg, working as a strategic business consultant specializing in oil and gas industry, as well as dedicated AI subject matter expert in energy sector. While other business consultants focus on project delivery, successful project delivery, and streamlining the processes and customer satisfaction, I, along with all these KPIs, also focus on enabling the customers for market expansion, as well as ideating with them on their needs. Your competitors are already in the market. Another oil and gas major has used predictive analytics to reduce their outages by 20%. They are also using AI sensors to reduce the inspection cost by 40%. So what? If your customer's EBITDA is 15% higher, that's because they are not hemorrhaging the cost on reactive repairs. Your stakeholders are asking why. Second point, cost reduction. AI is being used in and out 30 days, turning risk into opportunity and planned outages. AI, they are also helping the technicians to reduce their manual check time by 70%, which means their talent is being used in innovation. So what? We are not saving money. We are unlocking the potential or unlocking the revenue to reinvest in growth and shares. Lastly, the human dividend, which is the key to protect our employees. Ever since another US oil and gas major has used AI maintenance, they have seen 15% reduction in safety incidents, and 15% increment in employee retention. Isn't that amazing? Because that is the key feature in oil and gas industry. The Gen Z engineers, they focus on choosing those employers who work on cutting-edge technology. So what? We are using our talent of pool for innovation. This means lesser lawsuits, lower insurance, and building a brand for new generation. My expertise as a business consultant is to bridge AI and boardroom ROI. I don't sell AI. I engineer boardroom-ready outcomes, which means I deliver and help customers to convert their maintenance strategy. In 2024, AI is the cost to stay in the market. However, 3 years down the line, it will be a license to operate. My call to action for you is, if you want to be the Tesla in your region and not the Kodak, let's build together AI solutions that move your EBITDA in 90 days. AI is not just a trend, it is non-negotiable. Ready to compete? Let's change your maintenance strategy into profit centers. Thank you.